3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, I'm back. It's Jani Slimes and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make basic slime. This is just like your basic slime, not any like fluffy slime or cream cheese slime or anything. This is just your basic slime. This is also borax free, so there's no borax, because if you have sensitive skin like me, I have really sensitive skin, so borax is more likely to hurt me. So this is borax and contact lens solution free. Even though contact lens solution doesn't do anything, I still don't like to use it because I feel like detergent a lot of people have around their house. So let's just get on to the tutorial. You will be needing a bowl and a spoon. I'm using a half tablespoon to mix everything. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Glue. Food coloring, this is optional. And some detergent. I'm pretty sure, I think only Tide, Gain, and OxyClean and Persil, I think it's called. Oh crap, what just happened? Okay, and Persil works. I'm not sure if any other detergent works, but you can experiment. You also, and your glue needs to have PVA in it. You can use any glue, just make sure it has PVA in it. So I'm going to start off by putting my glue into my bowl. You can use as much glue as you want. I'm not using that much because I'm kind of running out of glue because I have a gallon of white glue, but it's not at my house, at my mom's house. It's at my dad's house, so I have to use clear glue bottles. And I'm running out of glue. This is actually my last glue bottle. So, and there's not that much in it, so yeah. I'm gonna have to wait till I get more glue to make a bigger slime, but this is just the amount I'll be making today. Again, I know it's not that much, but you can literally use as much as you want. So if you want to add water, you can, but you would have to add it now, and don't add too much water. Just add the same amount of water as you did glue. But anyways, if you don't want to add in water, just add your food coloring in now. And if you do add water, make sure it's before the food coloring. So I'm making it purple, so I'm going to use 2 drops of red and 2 drops of blue. Whoa. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't look purple, but then when I start to mix it around, it's purple. That's because obviously, you should know this, but when it needs to have all the colors mixed up to turn purple. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my Tide. I like putting it in the, I guess, cap or cup that the Tide comes with, like this, and putting it in little by little. Either way, you have to put it in little by little, or else it's not gonna be a good slime. It's just literally gonna be a really stringy mess of nothing. So I'm trying to get everything since I didn't have that much glue. Yeah. Even if it's sticky, I like to get everything in one thing at the middle, and I like to knead it. Usually it's stringy at this point, and sticky, but if I keep on kneading it and playing with it, and putting detergent in while I knead it, it becomes a good slime. This is the finished slime. If you like this video, leave a like. If you like my other videos, subscribe. Peace out!